Alright, so the spot we actually clip through on the pillar is right here. Probably as you would have imagined, right in the middle of it. Okay. So I'm looking up. It's right here. Right in the middle of it. So, with that in mind, come to the middle here. In between these two pillars, the one on my left and the one on my right, you want to be like in the middle between them. And be kind of like facing straight at the wall. Kind of like this. And what we're going to do is unequip the iron boots, hold forward until Link kind of like naturally starts to swim up, and then we're going to switch to holding down and just keep holding down. But the thing is, if we sometimes the wall in front of us will kind of push you to the left, and if that happens, you kind of need to correct it by going to the right. So that's why knowing where we clip through the pillar kind of helps, because as you're going up, you can kind of aim for the spot that you will eventually be able to feel out. Okay, so take off the iron boots, hold up, and then hold down. All while tapping A. Okay, this looks fine. I'll clip here, because the wall didn't move me. So there's the strat. Find the middle, down here. And this might take a few tries, but it's like one of the easiest ways I've been able to come up with. So find the middle here, in between these two pillars. Be facing the flat part of the wall. Take off the iron boots. Hopefully you move over to the right. This won't work. See, this is where it's this trick is a little tricky, because the wall will kind of like decide where you're gonna go. So get in the middle here. Bring the camera so that it kind of like puts the pillar to the edge of the platform. Okay, so I'm gonna just guess that this is the middle, right about here. Take off the boots, swim up. That should work. Yeah, and all I'm doing is holding down after I hold up for like a half of a second maybe. You'll know when to start holding down, because Link will start like swimming upwards naturally while you're holding up. Like you go down first for a second, but then as soon as you start going up, you want to switch. Alright, so here's the middle. I guess like right here. Like this is an eyeballing thing, so again, it's gonna probably like it could take a few tries to get the right position, but it seems fairly consistent. Okay, so yeah, here's the middle, something like that. And if the wall pushes you to the right, you're probably good. If it pushes you really far to the right, you're probably gonna miss it on the right. And if the wall pushes you to the left, you're gonna have to kind of try to correct to the right just a little bit. So let's try this one. This one will be fine. The wall didn't do anything. There we go. So this is the easiest way I've been able to come up with. Hope it helps.